Hello everyone, I'm here as an autistic self-advocate, a postdoctoral fellow and the president of the board of directors of the International Council on Development and Learning. As an autistic person living in South Africa and based on my and my family's experiences on a daily basis, I was taught something profound, that true growth happens when we are seen, heard, and met where we are. That's the heart of Lord Time, and that's why I'm speaking to you today. As an autistic person, I face barriers, education systems that didn't understand me, social stigma that tried to define me, and clinical approaches that didn't listen. In the global south, especially in places like South Africa, these challenges are even steeper. Limited resources, cultural biases, and rigid systems often shut neurodivergent individuals out. But every person has a spark, a unique way of connecting. We just need systems that nurture it. Floatam shows us how. It's about joining someone in their world, following their lead, building trust through playful, meaningful interactions. I've seen it transform lives. A child in Johannesburg finding their voice through shared joy. A family discovering their autistic children's brilliance in their own rhythm. Yet, too many global systems, education, social, clinical, is ignoring this. They push conformity over connection, leaving neurodivergent people, especially in under-reserved regions, without support. We can change this narrative. Imagine schools that celebrate every child's space, clinicians who build relationship through protocols, and communities that embrace difference as a strength. Floor time teaches us to meet people where they are, to co-regulate how to grow together. This isn't just therapy, it's a blueprint for inclusion. As the president of the board of directors of ICDL, I'm calling for systems that embody this. Policies that prioritize relationship, training that centers lived experiences, and resources that reach the global south. Every autistic and neurodivergent individual throughout the world deserves to be seen and not fixed. Let's build a world where connection comes first, where we follow each other's lead to unlock potential. Here at ICDL, we're all in. Will you join us? Thank you for listening. Let's make inclusion real, one relationship at a time.